So in this video, I'm going to show you a way on how you can unhide all the transactions that you've hidden on Revolut. So say for example, let's take this transaction here, hide it, and obviously now we've hidden it from the dashboard, you'd probably assume that we wouldn't be able to get that back. But there is one known way to get that back, and what you'd need to do is you'd need to log out of Revolut, and then once you've logged out of Revolut, you just need to log back in. And then once you've logged back in, it should now give you a clean record of all the transactions that you've hidden on Revolut. Now obviously, there is this icon next to them, which means they're not included in analytical reports. So if you wanted to go ahead and include that, you can go ahead and open your transactions up, find the transaction that you hidden originally, and then you'll just need to turn off exclude from analytics, and it will immediately show up as a normal transaction like any other. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.